So let me share my screen again. Okay. So okay. So here we were in this loop. So in this loop, whatever the data we are getting in the cursor, that we are iterating with the help of for loop. Okay. So all the records will get iterated with the help of this for loop and getting printed. If there is some error in this data, in this logic, then it will the term program will terminate program will not terminate, and it will go to the exception, and whatever the SQL code associated with that error, that will be printed and with the error message. So this is all about this program. Okay. So see. Okay. So this kind of program we can write with the help of PLSQL. Now let's discuss one more interesting question. Write function. Okay. Let's say uh, mm, if I pass the employee code, I want to fetch the employee salary, right? So for that, I need to write the PLSQL function, because whenever I will be passing the employee ID, then I should get the employee salary. So let me try to write the function and create it. This is the anonymous block. So this has not stored in the database. Okay. So once the employee names got printed, this program's work is finished. It is not stored in the database. We cannot, another user will not be able to use this program. So if you want these programs will be used by another user, then you have to create this program as a procedure. Let's do that first, and then we will jump to the function. Okay. So see, this is the program. Okay. This cannot be used by the another user. Let's do this and convert it to the procedure. Create or replace procedure, procedure name, let's say sp underscore print employee. Okay. Is okay. Create or replace procedure, procedure name, print employee. Just a minute. Let me call is coming. Just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Let me share the screen. So I have to, convert this anonymous block into the procedure. So I will do create or replace procedure, procedure name like, uh, let's say print employee. Okay. Let me caps lock on print employee. Okay. Then I will not send the parameter is my, this is my declaration, this is begin, and this is end loop, and this is end procedure. All right. Let's go ahead and try to create this procedure. All right. This procedure is created, compiled. Now, if you go and execute this procedure, execute sp print employee, so this will give you a result. So any user can go and invoke this procedure. See, Now this anonymous block has been converted into the procedure so that any user can take the benefit of this procedure, and whatever the logic is written inside this procedure can be executed through the SQL server, to the Oracle server. Okay. Any questions? Hope you understand what is anonymous block, what is procedure. Okay. So now let's talk one interesting question related to the interview. Difference between procedure and function. This is asked to the any level of the person, fresher, intermediate, expert. So your answer should be, procedure is written for a business logic purpose. Okay. And PLSQL function is used to write some computation. This is one difference. The another difference is procedure may or may not return a value. It contains a parameter also, in parameter, out parameter. With the help of out parameter, we can, whatever the logic I have written here, and if I want to return some data after the processing, I can write the out parameter and send that out data to another program. That is also possible with the help of procedure. Okay. But yes, with the help of function also it is possible. There is also out parameter. But the function's inbuilt behavior is it must return a value. Okay. Procedure may or may not return a value. It can be used to, just perform a business logic, but function is used to return a value. It must return a value. So this is the main difference between procedure and a function. Okay. Now let's go ahead and create one function and check whether if we pass the SQL, if we pass the employee ID, then it should return employee salary. Let's go ahead and try to write that program. Okay. This procedure we have created now. Here I have pasted create or replace. Here I will say function. Okay. Function name f underscore get salary. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check the syntax of the function. See, uh, this is the syntax of the procedure. This is the syntax of the function. Create or replace function name. Okay, we have done that. Now here we can pass the parameters, in parameters, out parameters. Okay. Now we'll pass the in parameter because we will pass the employee ID. Let's do that. Employee ID. So I will give the bracket and I will give p get employee code or get code. Okay. I'll give some data type number. I have given the data type. Close the bracket. Okay. Now I will write C. Here I have done this. Now I will go and type return data type, because what I am trying to return here is I will trying to return, just a minute. Yeah. So return, I will return a salary. So here number will be there. Salary will be written as a number. Okay. This is number. Okay. So here we will not give the semicolon because after return there will be no semicolon. Is as you can write anything. So I have written is. Now here I will do, let's say cursor salary, right? Cursor C is select what? Salary from employee. Okay. I want the salary where employee. Let's go ahead and check the data in the table first. Okay. What are the columns? Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. Select star from employee. Right. So this is the table. Salary column is there. So let's go ahead employee and ID column is there. Okay. So select salary from employee where ID is equals to whatever the parameter we are passing, this parameter. So we'll be assigning this parameter here. Okay. So I have assigned the parameter. Okay, that's fine. Now salary. Salary for salary, I will be declaring one variable v underscore sal. So the data type of salary should be number. Okay, let's set 10. Now what I will do here, I will not write the loop here. I will just do select. Okay, select what salary into select salary into we have created one variable. Okay, from employee where I don't think we require the this also. Okay, cursor, no need of cursor because we are not iterating anything. One value we will get and one value we have to just return. So select salary into v cell from employee. This will be enough. Where if you want to perform some logic, then you have to write the cursor, and then in the cursor in the loop you have to iterate with the help of your logic. Okay, so here we don't have any logic. We have to straight away go and pick up the salary associated with that employee ID. So straight away, I will write the statement in the execution statement. So I will not go ahead and create this cursor. Leave it. Okay. So I just created one variable. Okay. And now here I will return what v salary. Okay. And the get salary complete. Okay. Let's go ahead and try to create this function. This function is created. Okay, let's try and execute that function. Select what f get sal. Okay, so here I have to pass one parameter. Let's say I have passed the parameter. What is the parameter? 1. Okay, from dual, and try to execute this. See, you got 3000 because in your employee table ID 1 associated with salary 3000. See, so in this way you can invoke the function, right? Select function name, then your parameter from dual. Okay, this dual, what is this dual table? I will teach in the SQL actual class. What is it use? How to invoke the function? Everything is covered in my syllabus. So on the high level, I'm showing how to create the procedure, how to create the function, okay, and how to execute it. What is the difference between function and procedure? This is the most asked interview question for any level of expertise. Any questions? Okay, I think we can stop today. I will upload the video on the YouTube and share the link with you. Thank you.